In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you can't access your camera roll on Snapchat. So what that looks like is when you're on the home screen and there's nothing to the left, even though you have stuff on your camera roll. And if you take a quick snap and stop, and then we go to the plus sign in the bottom left corner, if you go to the import media option below flash on the right side, there'll be nothing here and there's no option to enable it. So what you want to do is back out, and then we're going to be going to settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you find the Snapchat app. So I'm going to select that. And then you want to enable photos here and go to full access. Now you may not see this, which is okay. So what you want to do is actually restart your phone. So press the one button on the right side and the up volume button on the left side, and then fully turn off your phone. And then what you want to do is open up Snapchat and see if you get the option to allow the camera roll to be accessed via Snap. Now, if that option doesn't pop up, what I had to personally do was actually delete Snapchat and then sign back in, and then it offered the option to allow camera roll access. So that's probably the last resort thing. You could maybe try it a couple times restarting your phone and see if you get that option when you open up Snapchat, but you may have to delete the app and then allow it when that comes up. This video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.